Watch that sauce drip down that tasty steak. You are so close to having that yourself. This is cast iron steak au poivre featuring tenderloin steaks. Season the steak on all sides and press one side down into coarsely cracked black pepper to create a crust. Sear the top and bottom and all sides of the steak in a, you guessed it, cast iron pan. Drop in butter, garlic, and thyme and baste the steaks for 8 to 10 minutes. The aromatics season the butter, which seasons the steaks, for just a little extra depth. When they've reached your preferred doneness, remove the steaks from the pan and add diced shallot to the pan to pick up those browned bits from the steak. We're building the pan sauce. Now brandy is simmered to burn off the alcohol. Stir in cream, broth, Worcestershire sauce and Dijon mustard, and more cracked peppercorns. Stir and cook for a few minutes to thicken, then stir in cold butter off the heat for the final richness. That's how you get the silky, peppery sauce over your perfectly cooked and delicious steak.